In this presentation, I'm going to present to you the top 5 strategies for using LinkedIn ads to generate more traffic for your business. In the paid advertising ecosystem, LinkedIn is extremely underutilized, especially considering that 79% of B2B marketers say LinkedIn is an effective way to generate leads for their business. When used correctly, LinkedIn can create a world of opportunity. Here are 5 strategies for using LinkedIn ads to generate more leads. Utilize targeting options. LinkedIn paid advertising offers users advanced targeting features. This makes it easy for you to target your ideal audience by current and past job roles, job titles, job functions, and schools, just to name a few. Utilizing the targeting option feature in LinkedIn can give you more confidence that the right prospects are seeing your ads. Run ads from your company page. The first set of LinkedIn ads you run can be done from your company page. This means that you need to make sure that you correctly set up your company page. This includes making sure that all the key fields are completed, and it should be search engine optimized to help reduce your ad spend. Know your perfect profile prospect. You have to have clarity around your audience. While the targeting of LinkedIn ads is relatively comprehensive, if you want it to work correctly, you have to have clarity around who you want your ads to target. The more targeted your audience is, the stronger return on investment that you will see. Develop strong content. You need to develop strong content for your ad, including both text and images. You might need to also create content for the specific ad offer. If your ad directs traffic to a landing page, then you will want to make sure that your landing page reflects the particular advertisement. Including images, according to a LinkedIn report, will lift your click-through rate by 20%, so make sure all your ads include at least one image. Know your projection and budget. Knowing your budget and projections means knowing your total ad costs and how that converts to your total cost for customer acquisition. If you know what you are trying to achieve, it will be much easier to calculate success down the road. To determine which ads are better return on your investment, consider using split test ads to see which works best. LinkedIn ads provide businesses with opportunity to target their advertising to their ideal audiences. Incorporate these 5 strategies into your LinkedIn advertising plan to generate more leads.